Haunted Jukebox has pleasure in presenting
It may sound silly for me to say this after the way you broke my heart, but I still love you. Although we are apart, it may sound silly to say I miss you. I must confess that this is true. I want you only, 'cause no one else will do. The day we quarreled and you left me before you walked out the door, I wanted to tell you how much I would miss you, but my pride wouldn't let me tell you so. It may sound silly, but if you phone me and ask forgiveness for doing me wrong, it may sound silly, but I'll be waiting with open arms. Oh yes, it may sound silly, but if you phone me and ask forgiveness for doing